In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create ad in Meta Business Suite. By the end, you'll be confident setting up a clean, effective campaign from start to finish. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Meta Business Suite. Look for the official Meta result with the familiar branding and a secure connection. Click the correct link to proceed to the dashboard. If you aren't signed in yet, log in using your Facebook or Instagram account associated with your business. Make sure you're using the account that has access to your page or profile and confirm you have the right permissions to run ads. Once you're in the dashboard, head to the left-hand menu and click Ads. This takes you to the area where you can manage campaigns and performance. In the top right corner, select Create Ad. This opens a guided setup to help you build your promotion step by step. Start by choosing your goal. Pick the objective that best matches your business outcome, like get more leads, get more website visitors, or promote your page. Your choice helps Meta optimize delivery, so align it with what you truly want people to do. Now, design your creative. In the Add Text section, write a clear headline and concise primary text. Aim to keep the primary text under 125 characters to avoid truncation in most placements. Lead with the benefit, keep the language simple, and make sure your headline complements the visual. Upload your media next. Use high-quality photos or videos. For 2026, a 4:5 vertical format works well in feed, and a 9:16 format is required for stories and reels. Keep important elements away from the edges, so captions or buttons don't cover them. Choose your call to action button, such as Shop Now, Learn More, or Sign Up. Match the CTA to your goal and ensure the landing page loads quickly and reflects the promise in your ad. Define your audience by selecting location, age, gender, and interests. If you're unsure where to start, try Advantage Plus Audience to let Meta's AI find the best viewers based on your goal and creative. Set your schedule and budget. Pick a start and end date, or run it continuously, and set a daily budget. Even a small budget like $1 to $5, or roughly RZ100 to R300 per day, is great for testing. Select placements. You can choose Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger, but Advantage Plus placements are generally recommended to automatically show your ad where it's most likely to perform. Finally, review the preview on the right side to confirm your text, media, and CTA look correct, then click Promote Now or Schedule. That's it. Your ad is ready to go live.